Hey guys, welcome to Bar Z. My name's Stan, and today we're just doing a quickie. We're working on a chain hoist, and my guys, being what they are, they like to oil stuff, and sometimes they get oil in the wrong place. Now, on a chain fall, you've got friction surfaces, and these have been cleaned. I just got them back from the sink. They were soaking in purple power, and I actually rubbed them around a little bit on some pretty coarse sandpaper. You know, you want to roughen them up a little bit. I ran them around on some 220 to get them nice and flat again. This is a friction surface. The actual sprocket here that I'm putting in the wrong way is a friction surface. So this is on the side where of the operating chain, not the load chain, the operating chain. So you've got 1, 2, 3. And on the back side of this is the actual drum where the chain runs. You got 4 surfaces that need to be dry and clean and flat. You know, these things were this was all oily. I've already degreased the whole thing. So you get a friction surface there, sprocket, another friction surface, and then this has got a multi-start thread. And what you want to do with this is spin it on. And see it in the lifts. This is the lift direction here. It pulls in tight, but when you back off, it needs to be able to lift off. You can see it's pulling away to release that clutch. This is in the downfall position. So these were all oil soaked, and it wasn't holding. Basically, when you let go, the load would start coming down. So this is a pretty easy fix. All you do here, run your nut down, and this can't be tight. You know, you run it down until it's completely tight, and back it off one full notch in your castle nut, and then drop your cotter pin in, and then you're done. But this thing has to be able to come back to release those clutches. So it's as simple as that. You know, I was in here doing a little maintenance anyway, so I thought I'd fix up all the chain hoists. We got 4 of them. That we use out on job sites, but this one was slipping badly. That's all I got. Thanks for watching.